Once you get to that certain point in the game, you're pretty much almost done. You just have to beat the final boss, which should be pretty easy. I need that for Elizabeth. How much of an upgrade did I get? Not much.
Good. Here are my wonderful. By all means.
I have to get it from the antique shop, of course.
Very well then.
But yeah, I feel like the most difficult part of this whole DLC is before the final boss fight. And there's a good reason why I say that. Because during that part of the game, you're neither at the finale or close to getting like the good spots for experience. You kind of have to just make do with what you got. It's not gonna be fun.
Oh, hello. Thank you very. Thank you. Well. Okay.
Yeah, I feel like the best thing you can do in this game is consistently try getting solo wins